morning. Our topic in Design Web for navigation. First, we identify 4 papers that analyze the navigation. Paper 1 analyzes the visual and presentation factors that influence the design of a common website. For this, a method was used that segments each web page into 5 different blocks: top, left, center, right, and bottom. Study 3 main types of features: expression, location, and presentation, which affect that. Layout for each page. It was obtained as a result that the naive-Bayes model is an appropriate classifier in the model to be used. The second paper evaluates the use of ontology and sequence information to extract behavior patterns from web processing. In this work, as a web mining technique, a grouping is used. Processing is used session with respect to the underlying semantic element of the web object. Access videos and series of experiments were conducted to see how web and site systems were worked in semantic of temporal. Structures were discarded and simple methods were used. As a result, it was obtained that the system reached 40% and recovery values.
In the paper 3 deals with the evaluation of design patterns of mobile and web devices regarding the application frameworks. The use of filter criteria led to a multiple case study of 3 cases with following patterns: MVC, front controller, and context and dependency injection, CDA. The evaluation of the results of 3 case studies shows that web frameworks obtain an average value of 0.92 compared to mobile frameworks. That leads to the conclusion that mobile frames currently don't support important design patterns in software engineering very well. And finally, the paper 4 talks about UVB mining, which is to find unexpected browsing behavior in clickstream to data to improve designing of a website. To test the UVB mining algorithm, we use clickstream data from the server side of the described website. The site designer also produced a series of predefined expected paths based on their expectations about the student use of the site. As a result, 5 examples of expected user browsing behavior were obtained, which matched the predefined expected paths, also showing how many times this specific breadcrumb occurred in the 386 user sessions.
Now then, in the similar stand, we were able to notice we have that the papers try to measure navigation on net sites, evaluating how user access the different page sites of the site. As difference, we have that different methodology and instrument are used as we ask the number of sites with which they evaluate an H1 focus on the more specific point of navigation, such as the route and follow in the form of URL. As a final point, or proportional and objective art measures the usability of navigation into the site of art websites and research of the student how moved and light only. Applying the methodology of the UVB missing algorithm using an instrument, the clickstream data performance and detailed analysis of the navigation paths on the website.